Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay, out on a new permission today, about 100 acres, kind of a ranch, kind of a old farm place, with lots of stuff around, a couple of creeks, maybe one creek, but it goes on both sides of the property. So it looks pretty promising. We pulled in here, seen probably 15 or 20 just running around, and I think this is going to be a good one.
See what happens, see how it goes.
All right, stick with us. I think I missed him, damn it. $74. Oh,
That's a click.
Yeah, he's very dramatic. I've rolled him down the hill.
Now there's two laying side by side that are dead. Fuck. We gotta be at 7. Yeah, there's not.
That one's dead.
Was it dead before?
No. Another one? Got him. I would say tits up on that one.
What do you think?
We both shoot at the same time?
Yeah.
Did I get him or did I hit?
Yeah, you got him.
Okay, because I couldn't tell.
Oh, yeah.
I have to aim really low for that. What the hell? Oh, finally. Like 20 yards. Headshot.
Shot through the grass. Scared you a couple times, but you'll get over it because you're just going to crawl home and die.
That's, oops, shot the fucking hose, damn it. That's one. That was a headshot.
There's another one to its left.
Okay, it's been a hot day. It's probably over 100, and unbelievable hunt today. So, like I said before, brand new permission. We never did figure a name, but we'll figure a name for it. And here's our total for the day. If you can see them, I know it's hard sometimes to see. I'll look in the here. Anyway, if you can't see it, it says 80 and 90. So that's 170 for the day. That far out surpasses anything we've ever done. I think our biggest day, Ed and I's, between us, 62 total for the day. That was our biggest day. And so 170 is considerably more. So we both got more than we've ever got.
Personal averages.
Yeah, personal best.
Yeah.
So yeah,
it's a little over half, double than what we've done at other places. So they're
Amazing.
everywhere.
Yeah, and we just made a dent in them. There's plenty here.
They're
So
all over.
we'll be back. So hopefully you like the video. If it's something that you like, we'd ask
subscribe.
we'd ask you to subscribe and like if you want, and keep an eye out for some more videos. All right, I'll catch you on the next one.